Hello everyone, this is Cadet Sumit Pal, and I have joined National Defence Academy in autumn term 2016, and this is the I'm returning here after completing my first term, and I'm here to tell you about it's not like tips for SSB, but how I prepared SSB and how I got the help from people around me and the people involved in making me and this successful as far as SSB is concerned. The SSB is first. My perception about SSB is this that it's not. If you don't consider it as a test, then it will be better because it's not only test. It's about the judging your personality. It's if you be normal there in SSB, it will be like as smooth as you cannot imagine. So SSB is just like testing your personality. It's not about the judging your personality. Like many people don't know even about themselves. So SSB is all about knowing about yourself. So for the preparation of SSB, I believe that uh, it will be easy. It will be like nothing if you don't prepare. But if you go blank there na, then it will be very dangerous for you. So it is very necessary to go prepared for SSB, and for that it will be better if you are natural. And if you are natural, then you need to be perfect every time. And then if a person consider that he is not perfect, then it is not possible for him to crack the SSB. SSB, it could be cracked. It could be cracked by just for the practice, and it all depends upon your mentors, your teachers, your guardians, how they guide you. So SSB will it's all about the environment which you give. And after coming from the academy, I believe that the Centurion Academy, which the Centurion Academy provides the environment, it's the most suitable environment, which is the time requires now as far as the NDA is concerned. Because things which are being given here, public people coming from civilian background, they get somewhat basic of the whatever the qualities required. So I believe people those who are willing to crack the SSB, they should come and approach the Centurion Academy for guidance, because they are too much friendly. They'll tell you where you are lacking. Okay, and now I'll tell you about the 5 day SSB part. For SSB screening, look, everything cannot be prepared. Like your GTO, they could be guided. You could be guided, but you cannot be prepared for like interview. You could be guided. You can prepare maximum for the that psychology. You could be prepared, and GTO you could be guided. Interview you can do practice. So I believe that some coaching is required, guidance is required. Because look, many times that happens that people preparing for first attempt, second attempt, third attempt, and they continue doing so. But at last they even don't know what they where they are lacking. So it is very necessary that there should be someone to make you notice that where you are lacking. I have seen many examples which in this Centurion Academy, where people coming from after many attempts, but they are clearing the SSB. Why? Because here they have been told that where they are lacking. So as far as the psychology is concerned, material, believe me that if you believe the content which you are getting here, then you need not to go anywhere. Need not to refer any of the book. The content is phenomenal, and the you will be made to do a lot of practice. I think that is suitable. Means that is the maximum level of practice you can do here. And GTO you can like your mentors are there. They'll guide you how to do, because many times it happens that you are practicing here some different obstacles. There you will find completely different obstacles. So it's like solving the problem. If you are natural, then it's okay. But if you don't know, then believe me, if you have a minute of doubt in your mind that you cannot clear the SSB, it's like a blunder or something like that, you are sadly mistaken. Everyone can clear the SSB. Okay, because you are not here, you are from not you have not done anything wrong which will stop you. But you should have faith in yourself that you can clear the SSB. It's not like I have cleared, that's why I'm saying this. But I've seen the example. I've seen my friends. I've seen many lot of my the course mates coming in NDA, what they were and what they are doing. Academy will make you, but for that you need to be something. You should have something. And for most thing, my seniors told me that the most important thing is that you need to be a good human being, then only you'll become a good officer. And if you're a good son, good student, then definitely you'll be a good officer. That's for sure. And preparing, only one mantra I'll give you, that believe in this academy, Centurion Academy. You're seeing these words now, they have true meaning. They really will provide you something which one expects, because I believe that all other academies are commercial. They are all something like, they are, it's like business. But here you'll find really a true friend in this academy. Okay, so they'll guide you, truly guide you, and believe in the mentors they are guiding you. And last, when SSB was recommended na, first call I made was the director of this academy, that because they were there behind me, that only, because just because of them I could clear the SSB. So I have, means they are everything for me now. And every time when we have some break, we used to visit there, because we have no interest, but still we give some time, because teachers get some motivation. They get that their student have achieved something, they get happiness, and this motivates them to, uh, for the other students, those who are preparing, they give their best now. So I'm highly thankful to this academy and the mentors who have guided us. Thank you. Jai Hind.